Hey guys, in today's video, let's take a look at this workshop bar. Obviously, it's not just for your workshop. You guys can put this for your computer or whichever, because it is nice to have that space in between these guys. Now, I'm going to take it out so you guys can see it. This is not that long of an extension, but luckily it does say that you have a circuit breaker, so that's really good. Obviously, it tells you that it does, accommodate large plugs, which is why the spacing. And then you got some USB ports. It has a year warranty. And it's almost 2 meters long, 1.8 meters exactly. So that's around the box, just in case. So let's just take it out. And here it is. So yeah, it's big. It doesn't have that many plugs, but they are spaced out. And that's usually what you're looking for a workshop usually. But I actually need stuff like this for my computers as well, because there's these huge adapters that sometimes you guys have to put them, those AC adapters. And they take up a lot of space. So I usually like to buy these type of bars for my computers because they have a circuit breaker, so that's going to protect it somewhat. And they have that spacing that I like. Obviously, the color is not the best thing in the world. That's why it's for a workshop. They make it like this, so it stands out a little bit more. Now you do have this up here, so that's to hang it. So usually anything that has to do with workshops has that, so you guys can hang it whatever. And let me just zoom in here. So right here, you guys are gonna see the USB, and then it's just other plugs you guys can see. So adapter, it tells you right here. Just because the spacing doesn't mean that you can't put an adapter anywhere else. And then we got our on and off. So on is your reset. Now here on the other side, there's some caution and information. Plus, you might notice these, so you guys can hang it from your wall once again. Anyways, I just plugged it in, so I'm just gonna turn it on. And there you go. So you do see a light once you turn it on. And you don't see any lights here or anything like that until you plug something in, I'm guessing. But that's it. That's all I can show you. So hopefully this gave you a good idea how big this is. Maybe it's for you, maybe it's not. And that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.